sees the birds.
In one shot in this entire movie.
That's because his people are so beautiful. He just wants to fill the screen with their face.
Well, he's Rod Taylor, though.
It is Rod Taylor, and I would have probably done the same.
You get in that boat. You get in that boat.
I get in that boat when a bird just swoops down and pops her in the head.
That same shot of all the birds, on the jungle gym and everything.
Ridiculous kids song.
Yes.
In the background. You're hearing this, dun, 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 dun. Get those kids out of there.
This never happened until you came to town.
Yeah, you're frightening my kids. Shut up. Shut up. God, that man's lighting a cigarette. He's going to throw that match down. Oh, and man, she is hauling ass too, man.
She is. When she gets there, she doesn't even say anything. She just pushes them away and goes running in the house.
Oh, Mitch.
I want Mitch to be happy.
No,
you don't, bitch.
No, you don't. Smoke that cigarette. No, you don't.
Start the car. Johnny has the key.